Alright, let's talk about Air Force One. Now, you've probably seen it in movies, soaring over cities or making dramatic landings. But here's the thing. Air Force One isn't just a plane, it's the ultimate flying command center, a luxury hotel and a fortress, all rolled into one. The current Air Force One isn't a single jet, it's actually two highly modified Boeing 747-200Bs officially called the VC-25A. These aren't your average commercial planes. Once you step inside, you're basically walking into a flying White House. Let's start with the living and office areas. At the front, there's the presidential suite. This is where the president can relax, sleep, or get some work done. There's a private bedroom, a shower, a vanity, and a separate office space basically, everything you'd expect from a high-end hotel room, but at 35,000 feet. Right next door, the conference room. It doubles as a dining area and the place for high-level meetings. Imagine making world-changing decisions while cruising above the clouds. And because emergencies don't wait for landing, there's a fully equipped medical suite. We're talking an operating table, emergency supplies, and usually a doctor on board for every flight. Of course, the president travels with a full team. There are offices for senior advisors, the press secretary, and other staffers. Further back, there's a press section that's where journalists ride along, ready to report breaking news the moment it happens. And don't forget the crew quarters. Pilots, flight attendants, and security personnel all have dedicated rest areas because running Air Force One is a 24/7 job. Now let's get into the tech, and this is where things get seriously impressive. Air Force One has secure satellite communications, encrypted phone lines, and advanced data systems. If the president needs to address the nation, or command the military mid-flight, it's all possible. For defense, there are classified countermeasures to protect against missiles and special shielding to guard electronics from electromagnetic pulses. In other words, it's built to keep running, no matter what. Amenities? Absolutely. There are full kitchens on board, capable of preparing up to 2,000 meals at a time. With all the food loaded before takeoff, storage areas keep extra supplies for those long-haul missions. The layout is just as fascinating. The lowest deck holds cargo and communications gear. The main deck is where you'll find the presidential suite offices, meeting rooms, and press seating. Up top, there's the cockpit and crew quarters. So, next time you see Air Force One, remember, it's not just a plane. It's a high-tech fortress, a mobile command center, and a luxury hotel, all at once and always ready for action.